Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a website banner, and this will be my second video on how to make a website banner. But the size that I pick is 2000 by 850 pixels. So I will show you here. As you can see, the width is 2000, the height is 850, and I got it in pixels. So make sure that you have it in that exact size. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is before I do anything, this is Canva, so make sure that you have a Canva account. Some features you may need for Canva, and some features you may need for Canva Pro. So it's still best to get Canva Pro if you can. If not, still you should still be able to work around it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is click on the frame, and I'm going to hit replace, and I'm looking for a money background. So I can pick one of those. I'm going to pick this one, and as you can see, it covered the whole thing up. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here is go to transparency, and I'm going to take my transparency all the way down to like 40. Let's do like 45. So I'm going to do 45, but I want to take another, like take something and put it over it. So I'm going to do that, and I think I want to change it to the color, let's say pink. I'm trying to decide which pink I want to use. Okay, let's try that pink, but I'm also going to make this one transparent also. So just click on transparency, and I'm going to make this one at least about 60. Yeah, we can do 60. So make that a 60. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here is I want to hit that plus button, and I'm going to go to find my frame. Okay, so here's my frame. I'm going to slide that over. I'm going to make it wider. I'm going to tilt it some. Okay, and another thing that I want to do is I'm going to go back to my shapes, go back to elements, hit that square, and drag that in, and I'm going to rotate that until it lines up a little. There we go. I think I have it. Also, okay, so that's good, and I want to change it to the color white. And now I got to go and find the picture that I want to put in there. Okay, so let me go to my models, and I'm going to pick, let me see which model I want to use. Okay, so I chose this one, and what I'm going to here is go to effects, and I'm going to hit background remover. While it loads and remove the background. So there we have it, and what I'm going to do here is I want to make that a little bigger, and I'm just going to set it right there. Okay, the next thing I will do here is I need to find silver, so I'm gonna go to elements, click on silver, scratch that out. Why did it do that? I didn't mean to make it that small. So let me start that back over. I'm trying to get it, so I don't want it too small. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and another thing you want to do is make sure that you position it and put it to the back so it won't be on the frame or her. Okay, so there we have it. Just make sure you push it to the back. Okay, now I'm going to add the text, and right here I'm just going to put new arrivals. Okay, so we have new arrivals, and under that I'm going to get that silver shape again. I want to make that a little smaller. Hold on. And of course I'm going to put shop now in this, but I wanted to turn the brightness up on it. So there we have it. So I'm going to add the text in that and just put shop now. Shop now. And you can add, if you don't want to put new arrivals, you can add whatever text you want to put on that banner. But I'm just showing you how you can easily make a website banner. Okay, so we have that text in. So I want to make it like blingy. So I'm going to add some bling to it. So I'm going to go to my clip arts. I'm going to keep scrolling till I find exactly what I'm looking for. There we have it. So I'm going to push that up to the corner. And I'm going to turn the brightness up on this also, so it don't look too dull. I think that right there is good enough. So I'm going to take it and put it over her a little. Okay, and so there we have it. And if you want to add anything else, like, let me see here what else I can find to put up there. Maybe this. Let me see. Stretch that out. And you can just continue to add whatever you want to add on to it. So it is very simple and easy to do. Long as you keep practicing, you'll get better and better. But just don't give up. So this is the end result, and like I said, it's very easy and simple. And if you have any other suggestions of the videos that you would like to see, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try my very best to get it done. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will try my best to put out more videos for y'all. And thank you for watching. God bless.